Salam alaikum, I'm Ines. I come from France, so sorry for my English. So I came back for the second year this year to learn a lot of things. So the first year we were learning about knowing ourselves, how to improve our health and balance our lifestyle on ourselves, but also on friends and family. And yes, this year we're going more into the deep with the therapy and the therapist. And it's important to learn all the skills about therapist, the value, also the fact that we are not judges, we don't have to judge, to be a listener, to take all the information, to make like a good we call that a good assessment, a good assessment on the person, and then make the best recommendation as we can with the lifestyle, the herbal and the nutrition. We take the pulse, the facial assessment, or the eye assessment, and it's very important because it gave us a lot of information. We also learned that every person is unique, so what we do on one person, maybe it won't work on another person, because it's important to take all this uniqueness, and that Allah created us as unique person. So even if we have some difference at some stage, there is a lot of common things, but there is always differences, and we have to take that into consideration. So on the first stage, we learn a lot about ourselves, but we're still learning a lot about ourselves and healing ourselves first before becoming like good therapist, and it's important. And also the fact that we don't have like a classroom with pencil and books. We're learning a lot by listening, doing groups session, and also practice. And it's even important to do like practice clinical cases on ourselves with other people, because this is how we learn, and we learn a lot of patience, because you don't become a good practitioner in a year or two, but it takes you like few years, and you have to accept that, and it's very important. Also the Hakim is amazing, mashallah. He's a very good listener. He gave you a lot of good advices, and you have to take everything like in consideration. Think about it, because sometimes there is some seeds going in your head, and then just put water on it and become a good flower. So you need just time. Sometimes you take it and you're like, this is what he meant. So I think it's very important to have his knowledge, mashallah. They're like amazing knowledge. So I really recommend this class, and that's why I do actually all the journey to come here every year, inshallah, and I will come back the next year, inshallah.